Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the CarX Drift Racing Online error code 402. As per our research, this error occurs when players try to create or join rooms. It kicks players back to the main menu and prevents them from accessing online multiplayer. And the issue appears to be more common on Xbox, but can also happen on other platforms. According to our research, this error may occur because of server issues, network problems, or license verification issues. First, try power cycling your device along with the router and check if the game needs an update. If so, then update the game and check if the error still appears. If the error still comes, then it is possible that your region server may be down or overcrowded. So try switching to a different server. If you're using a controller, go to the online room selection page, then press the right thumbstick down and select another server. And see if this helps with the error. If the error still appears, renew your console licenses. On Xbox, go to your account settings and look for the option to renew licenses. Once done, restart the game and check if this resolves the issue. If the error still comes, then try connecting to a different network. This can be another Wi-Fi or a mobile hotspot. Once connected, launch the game and check if you still get the error. If none of these steps help, you should contact the game support and report the issue to have further help. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.